mounted section was set up in 1993. Currently we have 9 horses and we're looking for another at the moment. We have 8 police constables on the mounted section, 1 sergeant and 2 reserve riders. The types of jobs that we do on the mounted section are not only crowd safety management, such as the football and rugby police operations at the Millennium Stadium or Ninian Park in Cardiff or the Liberty Stadium in Swansea. We also take part every day of the week in police operations, whether they be proactive or reactive operations. If there's a problem with antisocial behaviour in an area, we'll assist with that, gathering local intelligence, breaking down barriers, speaking to the local community. We can also deal with traffic issues, stopping cars and issuing tickets. If there's a seatbelt campaign on or a drink drive campaign, we participate in that also. If a police officer wanted to join the mounted section, they will have had to have successfully completed their 2-year probation period. Once that was completed, they would be able to apply for the mounted section once the position came available. The way that they would go about doing that is they'd apply for a suitability course. If they successfully passed that, including a fitness test, they would then go on to an interview, and all being well, if they passed that, they would then go on to a 20-week riding course.
Sale of forged tickets or passes to assist Millennium Stadium stewards to ensure the safety of spectators entering and leaving the stadium, which is our main aim of the day, to ensure that the policing plan is efficient and cost effective. General threat assessment for the UK is currently severe. The security assessment for the game has been assessed as low, so we're all in level 2 kit today.
Prior to the match, we'll be providing a high visibility patrol in the city centre, and then the team coaches will be arriving in the city centre and we'll need to get to the Millennium Stadium safely. And today we'll be using 4 police horses to escort the team coaches into the stadium. We'll have 2 horses up front to clear the crowds and 2 horses just in front of the coach, and we'll escort the team coach safely to the stadium. The advantages of using the horses on a day like today in the city centre is obviously, one advantage is our height. We're about 9 foot up in the air and can see a lot more than a police officer on foot would see. Just prior to the end of the match, we'll take the horses back into the city centre, where we'll again provide a high visibility public reassurance patrol. Today our tour of duty is 10 till 6. We normally work 8-hour shifts. However, at a big international rugby match or football match, we quite often work longer.